Hello guys, welcome to my vlog again. I'm here sa Panabo, sa Bagman. So isa na siya sa favorite na coffee shop na ginatuan ako every time na I pass here sa Panabo area. So dili ko naga-coffee, minsan naga-lunch, and sometimes naga-dessert. So I'll show you the Bagman coffee shop. This is the interior inside the Bagman coffee shop. Their staff is so friendly, and they have very nice aesthetic design inside the coffee shop. Mga vintage na mga gamit. So nice, ito ang mga design. So na po sila mga dessert din. Nasa sila banana cake, nasa sila chocolate cake, nasa sila ubi cake, nasa sila cheesecake, carrot cake, and hope you enjoy my short vlog, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Okay? And see you in the next one. Bye.